people are looking for other ways of making money. Like, how can I make money from home? You see, so in this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips, and I'll have a bonus tip at the end on how to make money at home. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for coming by. If you're new here, welcome and be part of the family. If you're returning, thank you so much. You know how much I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. All right, so here are 5 good tips on how you can start business without money necessarily, and you can start this from the comfort of your home. So if you're at home and you think, okay, I have a couple of hours, what can I do? And I need also money. Now, here are 5 tips that I have shared on most of the things I have done myself. So I'm sharing on some things that I have already experienced and I have seen that you can do, and you can earn money on top. Okay, so if you're coming back here for the first time, please thank you so much, and please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell, and also like this video. Comment down below on other ways that we can make money at home at the comfort of our home instead of binging on, Netflix. I'm not saying it's bad to binge on Netflix, but if you can use that time to do something more constructive, why not? And also get paid, for that. So let's get into you can make money from decluttering. How easy is that? Making money, you make money from the things that you don't need in the house anymore. If, let's say, I don't need this phone, I just say, okay, what can I do? I can get into an app. So there is this cool app called Vinted. Maybe you've seen it on the socials or something. It's called Vinted, and I'm going to put it like right here. Vinted allows you to sell items that you don't need in the house, especially clothes, shoes, all that. So the other day I had bought a shoe which was on sale, and when I got to the house, I realized, oh, I don't think I need it. Let me put it on Vinted. And guess what? I just put it. After an hour, I had sold my item on Vinted and I got my cash. So how cool can that be? I know if you're a woman or even a man, you also impulse buy sometimes, and impulse buying, after some time, you just want to, to get away with that thing. So you can sell it on Vinted, and there are also other places where you can sell the items that you don't need. You can sell it on Marketplace. In my previous video about how to start a business with less than $100, which I'm going to put the link down below, I felt like Marketplace is one of those easiest places. Facebook Marketplace, to be precise. Marketplace is one of those places where you can sell the items that you don't need, and it's really easy because it's people around your area that are going to buy that item. You feel like, okay, I need like a quick $100. What can I sell? I don't need this wallet. Okay, let me put it on Vinted and I can sell it, and that's it. Now you get your money from the things that you're supposed probably to just declutter, and that's how you make your money. So tip number 2 is what I'm doing right now, what you're watching right now, YouTube. By making these kind of videos, if you can stay behind the camera, and it doesn't have to be a fancy camera. I am using my phone. I've used my phone for the longest because I feel like it's easy to use, and I can do a lot of things, like from the phone. So YouTube is one of the platforms that is really super growing fast, and you can make money from YouTube, making YouTube videos. If you're good at DIY, do it. If you're good at like my friend Neka's channel, you should check her out because I'm gonna put a link down below. She did a really great DIY for the candles, and it's just amazing. If you can talk about beauty like I do sometimes, do that. If you can talk about finance like my friend Victor, do that. Like, if you're able to sit behind the camera and talk to the people, YouTube is just one step away. Just start. I know people who get from $50 from YouTube to people getting $50,000 from YouTube, from creating YouTube videos. So if you're starting out, just be consistent, do your thing, post the videos. One day you will get there and you will have your money. And the beauty about this is YouTube gives you the ability to have and to use other platforms. With your viewers, you can do so much. And this is where we're going to the point number 3. If you're doing YouTube, there is a lot of opportunity to make money, not only from YouTube itself, but also from other platforms that can use YouTube, or you can use YouTube to promote yourself. So if you're thinking, oh, you're procrastinating, I don't have a fancy camera, just start with your phone. So YouTube is one of the platforms that is really fast growing. A lot of people are getting into YouTube, and let me tell you, it's just amazing. It can only get better. So if you're thinking about YouTube, you need your phone. Okay, so that's it. The rest you can edit from your phone. There are free apps for editing. You can, like every other thing, you can just start with your phone. So YouTube is one of those businesses that you can start and you can get so far, because you will have an audience that can help you to do a lot of other things. So let's get to point number 3. So tip number 3 is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is promoting a product that is not yours through your audience, your platform. And this platform could be YouTube. So can you see how YouTube can help you to get, into other platforms, and you use that because you have the audience, you have the viewers. There is a lot of platforms where you can get affiliate links. One of them being Amazon, which I do, ClickBank, which is very popular as well. So it depends on what niche you're in. There is a lot of affiliate links that you can get, even from people where you buy the stuff from. You can ask them for affiliate links. You tell them, you know what, here is my audience and I am buying this item. Can I have an affiliate link? And affiliate link, the beauty about it is it gives you from anywhere from, I think, 3% to 10%. 10% is like on the higher side, but that is something. Can you imagine? Let's say this wallet was being sold at $50. And you have a 10% of that, you see. So there is no small money. You can have that. And what if you sell 10? What if you sell 20? What if you sell 100 or 50? So that is the beauty about affiliate links, and that can be helped with your social. If you have a good audience on social media, on your Instagram, on Facebook, you can share that with your family, with your friends, with your colleagues. You share the affiliate links, and when they buy, you get your commission, and that is how you're going to even promote the product in another way, using the money that you get from the affiliate commissions. So affiliate links are easy to find. I have an affiliate link for a book that I really think it's really amazing, from my friend Victor Eboa, and that book is so good because it helps you to have all the tools you need to start a business in a very simplified way. So if you're looking at that, please go ahead and check that link. It's an Amazon link and I get a small commission out of it. Thank you. Tip number 4 is blogging. I started blogging and I was a bit, but blogging is one of those things that gives me a lot of peace when I start writing. If you can be able to write, if you can be able to talk to the people through writing, then blogging is something that you can do. And the beauty about blogging is, if you have a YouTube channel, you can send your viewers to your blog. If you have even your social media, you can always be sharing so that when people click, it takes them to your blog, and you can monetize your blog and you start getting money out of it. So it's something that it can help you to start getting money. And the beauty about this money is it's passive income. So it's money that is going to continue to come every other time. As long as you're putting in the effort, you're giving out the content, you will always get the money. So you can start blogging. Maybe if you have a niche, you want to share something with people. If you're passionate about traveling, you can be a travel blogger. You can talk about different places. If you are talking about skincare, if you're talking any niche and you're able to write about it, can just start blogging. It really helps you to connect with the audience. It's like writing a letter. I know it doesn't happen this time a lot, but it's like your mind is into that a lot. It's not like these days we just text. Yes, no. Blogging gives you the ability to share your and put in your mind and effort in that whatever you're doing. So I feel like if you're really passionate about talking to people, you're passionate about writing about something, you can really blog that down and you get your money. So check out my blog, link on my blog down below, so that you can see the detailed way on if you want to start a blog and you're looking at websites that are free to start as a beginner. Fifth tip is freelance. Being a freelancer is so easy because it depends. There's a lot of platforms where you can start freelancing. If you have a skill that you can share, if you're good at editing videos, if you're good at editing photos, if you're good at doing artwork, you can do that on a lot of platforms. There's a platform called Skillshare. There is Upwork. I always talk about it, where you can sell your skills there and you become a freelancer. If you can write, if you're a professional writer, if you can do transcript jobs, you can become a freelancer and you can work from anywhere with zero amount of money. There is a lot of websites where you can sell your services and you get paid for it. There's Upwork, there's Upwork, there is Skillshare. There is a lot of platforms where you can sell that and you get paid. Remember guys, I told you if you watch till the end, I have a bonus tip. You don't need to have any kind of skill, but it's going to make you to make money. Now, this is called drop servicing. What is drop servicing? Drop servicing is you advertise a skill, but you not necessarily have to be the one doing that skill or offering that skill, but you look for someone who can do that skill at a certain price. You put your markup and you advertise it or you promote it. You got someone from Upwork who can do that job, and you pick that same service and you customize it into a kind of way that, and you put your markup and you can advertise it elsewhere, maybe in another platform, and you get guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be coming back more with more ways of making money. Stay tuned. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Also leave a like for this video, and also guys, let me know on the comment section what you think about other ways of making money at home. So guys, if you're looking for ways to make passive income, you need to read this book. This book is just the best. It has 9 proven ways to make money passively. Okay, so I'm gonna leave a link down below for you, because you need, before you invest on anything else, you need to invest in yourself. And I can't say this enough because I know it's happened to so many people, and it's just the best thing you can do, because again, you cannot pour from an empty cup. You need to have the knowledge, the skills, all that, so that when you're talking to the people, when you're doing that, you have everything it takes for you to do it. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link down below. You can purchase it on Amazon and empower yourself. All right, so I'll see you in my next video. All right, stay blessed.